Again, welcome back in this new video. So today we will be talking about new strategy by which we can promote our CPA offers. Okay, so let's get started. At first, come to your CPA Grip account, log in there, and come to my offer section, and select country as United States, and just write a keyword of Bitcoin. So today we will be promoting this offer, which is displayed in my screen, and I will guide you how you can do it. It's a paid advertising method. So let's get started. Just click over it and let's see what kind of offer it is. If you will copy this link and paste it in your browser, then you will be able to see the landing page they have. They are redirecting the visitor. Okay, this is the landing page of get a $1,000 Bitcoin gift card, and you will also have to redirect your visitor towards this page only. Okay, so you can get an idea out of it and create a landing page. You can also use Linktree, but I will suggest you just get a domain name with very less amount, just for $1 from namecheap.com. I won't be doing that now. I will assume that this is our landing page that I have created, and let's get started. Again, come to Snapchat business. You have to create an account with them. It's simple and easy. Just create. If you see an overview of this, Snapchat has over 306 million of people user. Again, a Snapchatters visits Snapchat and remains there for at least 30 minutes every day. Okay, you can launch your campaign at least price of $5 a day, and they have two. Yes, instead you can create instant ad, which is simple and easy. If you run for e-commerce business, then you can create with this advanced create. Okay, so let's get started. I have already account with this. I will log in and show you. From this place, click on create ad. This screen will come. There are two methods you can go. We will go with instant create. We will redirect our visitor towards a website, so click on website visit. Here you have to put your landing page address. We had assumes that this is our landing page. Copy this and put it over here. Now click on next. Upload a post image which will show in your Snapchat. Okay, so I have already created with Canva. You can check out a link in description. You can go through that or directly search for Canva and create a post from here. Okay, yes, now we will click on upload. This is the image that I will be posting. Again, here you have to write a headline, give a headline of this post. Just give your business name here, and in call to action, as for now just we are redirecting our customer, telling them to fill. We'll click on get now and then click on next. You can choose demographic 13 to 15. I'm choosing 18 to 50 plus, selecting language as English, because we are targeting towards United States. There are more advanced targeting option also. You can choose which devices you are willing to target, Android, iOS. I will let it remain as both. Interest and custom you can choose from here. Okay, and then budgeting I will keep it as low as $5 per day. So if I've selected this many things, after setting it up, you can see that your reach has grown to 73.7 million to 78 one. This many of reaches, targeted audience you have now. Weekly you will be getting this much, and in daily basis you will be getting this much. If you want to increase, then you have to increase your budget also. Okay, see now, if you see daily, then 2.2k of visitor there you can get in your campaign. Select credit card or PayPal, whatever method of payment you want to use, and then just publish this campaign. Okay, it's easy. You can start with low budget, and if you get result in your CPA grip account, you can excel it for further. Okay, thank you for watching, and be consistent so that you may get results.